What's up, guys? So today's video, I'm going to quickly walk you through how you can easily generate hand-drawn sketch note visual summaries of any content, whether it's a video or a text, using Google Gemini. So I'm going to quickly go up to Google Gemini and make sure this is turned on to the thinking mode. And then the first thing I want to do is to grab a video, right? So I'm going to grab one of my videos, and this one looks correct. So I'm going to copy the link of this video and then quickly rush back to Google Gemini and then give it a prompt to help me generate a detailed summary of the video, and then paste in the link of that video and click submit. And then let's just wait. And here is the detailed summary of the video. All right, next we're going to go down and give it the prompts now to generate the sketch notes or the hand-drawn sketch notes. But first, make sure you click on tools and then make sure you turn on create images. And once that is done, you can then go ahead and add in your prompts. So I've already created my prompt. So here is a prompt. You can pause to copy, or maybe you can go to the description box and just copy it right there. I'm going to leave the link where you can go grab it. And once that is done, click update and let's just wait and see what it generates for us. All right, so here is the hand-drawn sketch notes. All right, so that is as easy as it comes. All right, now let's go to the next way to generate the hand-drawn. This time, I'm going to ask it to actually generate me a storytelling framework method, all right? So I'm going to ask Gemini to generate me some text. And then click submit and let's wait. And here is the text or the notes that it has generated for us. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is come again under the inside the Ask Gemini 3, and then I'm going to ask it to create hand-drawn sketch note visual summary of this text. And let's see what it does. And here it is. Right, so this is the second way you can do that. You can just ask it to generate the text and then again ask it to create sketch note. Right, the last way you can use it again is to use your own text. So I'm going to ask it to summarize my notes, and then I'm going to copy my notes and then paste it in here. So if you have a notes or a post or something that you've written, you can just post it in here, and of course add in your prompts to generate the sketch notes. And let's see. So once it's generated the sketch notes, you can go ahead and download and store in your device, and you can use it and add it as a visual under your post. So guys, that is how you can easily use Google Gemini to generate beautiful, eye-catching, hand-drawn sketch notes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do not forget to leave a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any question or if you've tried it out and how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.